So basically, when people think of Warm Springs Native Aspirations Coalition, they automatically think fun. And it is true, we do engage in events, even culturally appropriate intergenerational alternative activities. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody wants to have a good time. But little do they know, it is a bit more complicated than that.
It's complicated.
This is our action statement.
We envision a prevention plan that is driven by a data-informed thought process.
Good!
Incorporating the science of prevention in a strategic and well-thought-out approach. The trick is to do this in a culturally responsive way, where the community feels like its ideas and values are being adhered to, as opposed to a historically westernized system that imposes sanctions upon an indigenous populace.
The population of Warm Springs is approximately 4,500 people. Tribal membership numbers at approximately 5,250.
I hear what you say.
Some living on and off the reservation. The Treaty of 1855 allows tribes to retain rights to hunt, fish, and gather in lands traditionally inhabited by members of the Confederated Tribes of Warm Springs. Self-governing began in 1938. An 11-member tribal council is the main governing body of the reservation, which is divided into 3 districts: Agency, Simnasho, and Siksika. The majority of the population, about 73%, resides within the Agency district, and this is also the central hub for tribal enterprise. There are 3 major languages: Kitsht, or Wasco, Numo, or Paiute, and Inchishkeen, sometimes referred to as Hapton or Warm Springs. The major religions are the Shaker Church, Washit, or Seven Drum, Wasklit, or Seven Feather, Native American Church, Medicine Society, Full Gospel, Baptist, Catholic, and other major religions. There are 3 longhouses: the Agency, Simnasho, and the Hee Butte Longhouse. The tribal elders are the very fabric that holds Warm Springs together, the keepers of the faith and the cornerstones of our society. They are in positions of honor. A lot of people strongly identify with their spiritual activities or the lifestyles that they engage in. Unemployment is the #1 social issue, and with it come socioeconomic repercussions that are common to poverty. Higher rates of a lot of bad things happening. The Warm Springs Prevention Team works with the local community under the umbrella of the Health and Human Services branch. It must be noted that we do not exclude any groups within the reservation, whether they are native or non-native. We serve everybody within our jurisdictional boundaries. If someone demonstrates an interest in our programs, we do not turn them away. We do primarily work with Native Americans, but if you live with us, work with us, or even marry one of us, you will be included within tribal community interventions.